Looking for a powerful table saw without overspending? Best Table Saw for the Money helps you balance performance, durability, and affordability perfectly. In this guide, we'll explore smart options that deliver accurate cuts, strong motors, and reliable value for beginners and professionals alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. SKIL TS6307-00 Table Saw. The SKIL TS6307-00 Table Saw stands out as a reliable and budget-friendly option for users who want professional cutting performance without paying premium prices. Designed with rack and pinion fence rails, this saw keeps the fence perfectly parallel to the blade, allowing smooth and accurate cuts every time. One of its strongest advantages is the integrated folding stand, which makes transportation and storage extremely convenient, especially for small workshops or job site use. The parallel blade alignment system with micro adjustment helps maintain precision, ensuring consistent results for woodworking projects. With an impressive 4x4 cutting capacity at 90 degrees, the saw easily handles thicker lumber that many portable models struggle with. The 2 to 47 degree bevel capacity with quick release lever allows fast angle adjustments, making bevel cuts simple and efficient. Additionally, the dust port elbow helps redirect debris into a container, keeping your workspace cleaner. Overall, this table saw combines portability, accuracy, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for beginners, DIYers, and contractors seeking dependable performance at an affordable price point. Number 2. DEWALT DWE7485 Table Saw. The DEWALT DWE7485 Table Saw is a compact yet powerful machine built for users who value precision, portability, and durability. Its 24.5-inch rip capacity makes it capable of handling large plywood and OSB sheets while maintaining excellent control. The rack and pinion telescoping fence reels ensure fast, smooth, and highly accurate fence adjustments, helping users achieve clean cuts without constant recalibration. Despite its strong performance, the saw remains lightweight and compact, making transportation between job sites simple. A metal roll cage base adds rugged protection, ensuring long-term durability even in demanding work environments. The Site Pro modular guarding system allows tool-free adjustments, improving convenience and safety during operation. Onboard storage keeps essential accessories such as the guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge organized and easily accessible. One standout safety feature is the power loss reset, which prevents accidental restarts after power interruptions. This table saw is ideal for contractors, remodelers, and serious DIY users who need reliable cutting power combined with portability and efficient workspace organization. Number 3. Evolution R10 TBLX Table Saw. The Evolution R10 TBLX Table Saw delivers impressive versatility thanks to its multi-material cutting capability. Powered by a high-torque 15A motor with soft start technology, this saw handles wood, aluminum, mild steel, and composite materials using its included premium 10-inch TCT blade. Its large 26-inch rib capacity and 3/3/8-inch cutting depth make it suitable for sheet materials and heavy-duty cutting tasks. Precision is enhanced through the dual rack and pinion fence system, allowing micro-adjustable rip control and accurate repeat cuts. The geared angle selector simplifies bevel adjustments from 0 to 45 degrees, giving users confidence when performing angled cuts. Built for job site performance, the lightweight steel frame includes carry handles, onboard storage, and outfeed support bar for improved stability when cutting larger pieces. The wheeled collapsible stand with large all-terrain wheels ensures easy transport across rough surfaces while offering quick setup and compact storage. This table saw is an excellent option for professionals needing flexibility, power, and dependable accuracy in demanding working conditions. Number 4. DEWALT DWE7911RS Table Saw. The DEWALT DWE7911RS table saw is widely recognized for delivering professional performance and excellent cutting capacity. Equipped with a rack and pinion telescoping fence system, it allows smooth, precise fence adjustments that help maintain consistent accuracy. The generous 32.5-inch rib capacity make it ideal for cutting large shelving panels, trim boards, and wide materials with ease. A powerful 15-amp motor provides the strength needed to rip through hardwoods efficiently, making it suitable for both job site and workshop environments. The rolling stand is designed for quick setup and breakdown while maintaining exceptional stability during operation. Telescoping fence rails retract neatly, creating a compact and portable design for transport. Onboard storage keeps accessories organized, ensuring tools such as the blade guard, miter gauge, riving knife, and push stick are always within reach. The flip-over ripping fence adds versatility for narrow cuts, making this saw a dependable solution for contractors and woodworkers who require power, accuracy, and convenience in one complete package.
Number 5. BOSCH GTS 18V-08N Table Saw. The BOSCH GTS 18V-08N Table Saw offers impressive cordless freedom while maintaining professional-level performance. Powered by bi-turbo brushless technology, this saw delivers corded-like cutting strength with a high-performance motor capable of reaching 5,500 RPM. Designed for mobility, its compact single-hand carry structure makes it easy to move around job sites or workshops without hassle. The 8 1/4-inch blade size balances portability with strong cutting capability, allowing users to handle common woodworking materials efficiently. Precision adjustments are simple thanks to the rack and pinion dial system, eliminating the need to manually tap the fence into alignment. With a 25-inch rip capacity to the right of the blade, it comfortably handles larger boards and sheet materials despite its compact size. Built for professionals who value flexibility, the cordless design allows work in locations without direct power access. Durable construction and efficient performance make this table saw an excellent choice for contractors, installers, and mobile woodworkers seeking portability without sacrificing accuracy or power. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.